All right, let's try a nice application problem now that'll use both the solve by factoring and the FOIL that we practiced in the last video. This problem says, the three sides of a right triangle are represented by x, x plus 4, and x plus 8. Find the dimensions of the triangle. Let's see if we can draw it. Here's a nice right triangle. In order to be a right triangle, it must have a right angle. And the longest side must be across from the right angle. The other two sides are the legs. Now, if I have a right triangle, I know that I can apply the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Let's plug these three sides into that formula. Make sure that the longest side, the hypotenuse, in this case x plus 8, must be c. The other two sides, the x and the x plus 4, put those in any order you like. I'll put the x first and the x plus 4 last. So my three sides, A, B, and C, x, x plus 4, and x plus 8, are x, x plus 4, and x plus 8, giving me a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now let's see if we can solve. I know x plus 8 squared means x plus 8 times itself. On this side of the equal sign, I'll copy the x squared, and x plus 4 squared means x plus 4 multiplied by itself. Let's FOIL on this side. Multiply the firsts, x times x. The outers, x times 8. The inners, 8x. And the lasts, 8 times 8 is 64. We'll do the same on this side. Copy the x squared and use FOIL here. X times x. X times 4. 4 times x. And the lasts, 4 times 4, 16. Let's take the work we have so far, and I'm going to put it on a larger piece of paper where I've got a little more room to show my work. Next thing we'll do now is combine like terms. Copy the x squared, 8x plus 8x is 16x. Copy the 64. 1x squared plus 1x squared is 2x squared. 4x plus 4x is 8x. And copy the 16. Now it's a quadratic equation, so I should set it equal to 0. Let's bring this positive x squared over here as a negative x squared. Bring this positive 16x over here as a negative 16x. Bring this positive 64 over here as a negative 64. 2x squared minus 1x squared is x squared. 8x minus 16x is negative 8x. 16 minus 64 is negative 48. Let's see if that factors. I need two numbers that multiply to 48. Well, I know that 48 is 12 times 4. And 12 and 4 also subtract 8. If I make the 12 negative and the 4 positive, negative 12 and positive 4 combine to negative 8. while negative 12 times positive 4 multiply to negative 48. Move the negative 12 to the other side of the equal sign. Move the positive 4 to the other side of the equal sign. Those both look like pretty good answers. Let's take these back to our original piece of paper. When we finished, we had x equal 12 and x equal negative 4. Answers of x equal 12 and x equal negative 4. But remember, what we're looking for are the dimensions of a triangle. Can the side of a triangle be a negative number? Certainly not. So what are the dimensions of the triangle? Well, the short side is 12. This leg is 4 more than 12. And the hypotenuse is 8 more than 12. So the three sides of the triangle are 12, 16, and 20. All right, that's a challenging problem. Your job now, go try one just like it.